Assalamu alaikum and welcome everyone. This is Daniel Hayat. I'm the moderator for today's webinar, The Impact of COVID-19 on Science, Technology and Research. Just like today, we'll be hosting a series of webinars bi-weekly basis on a plethora of different topics under the theme of COVID-19 and its impact. We will be having different national and international speakers from around the world to talk on this particular topic of pandemic COVID-19. The idea behind these webinars is to open the dialogue between the experts, the government representatives, teachers, students, and the audience, the common people out there. And the objective of today's webinar is to get insights into how the government, the academia, the industry, and the international community of innovators are working on tackling the pandemic of COVID-19 and how these collective efforts will shape the future of science, technology, and research. So before I head towards the introduction of our distinguished speakers, I'll give you the time breakdown of today's webinar. Each speaker is going to have 15 minutes only. So since we have 3 speakers, which means that we are going to have 45 minutes all together. I'll request the speakers to please keep a space of their talk and make it within the 15 minutes. In addition to that, if anyone is having any questions, I'll request you to please post your questions in the bottom, the comment section, and post them to the particular speaker. Write their name as well. So at the end of this talks, at the end of when all the speakers give their talks, we'll be having a question and answer session. So we'll be posing the questions over there. So now, without any further ado, I'll introduce our distinguished panel, Dr. Khalid Khan, who is the director at the Directorate of Science and Technology.